Hola, I'm Yvette Marquez with Muy Bueno, and we are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with Kroger. We are going to be making Carne Asada tacos with Ole Mexican foods, and we're gonna start by making our marinade. We're gonna be using some lemon and limes in this recipe, olive oil, some fresh cilantro, red onions, and my little secret ingredient when it comes to carne asada is tequila, fresh thyme, garlic. We're gonna add some serrano. Now we're gonna add this to our flank steak. You can let this rest on your counter for 30 minutes or refrigerate it for up to 4 hours. You wanna give it 5 minutes on each side. Oh yeah, look at that. And a good tip is to let your meat rest after it's cooked. And I'm gonna be using corn tortillas by Ole. So I love to char them on an open flame. This company's a family-owned business, minority-owned, woman-owned, and Kroger was the first to carry this brand. So yay for Latinos. Fresh cilantro and chopped onion. And then we have a homemade salsa verde. You gotta have that Mexican cheese, so this is a queso fresco that I'm using here. To top it off, we've got some fresh lime juice. Thank you for celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with me. I hope you're inspired to make these carne asada tacos. If you wanna make them, you can find all these ingredients at your local Kroger family store. And to find recipes similar to this, go to Kroger.com. Now it's time to enjoy our tacos. Yum! That's so good. I'm leaving. Adios.